ForexStrategy.com.
Hi, this is Chris again, looking at the upcoming Thursday, September 12th trading session. In front of you is the economic calendar as per usual. Really not a whole lot going on in Asia at all, really. The European market gives us very little look at as well. We do have Spanish CPI month over month, anticipated to be 0.1%. Could have a little bit of an influence on the IBEX and the euro, but really I think if we're going to get anything in Europe that moves the markets based on an announcement, it's industrial production. Month over month anticipated to be 0.5% for the continent. Any rally in the euro, that's a selling opportunity in my opinion, to have me buying puts as the bearish pressure should continue. Really, the economic announcements that I'm paying attention to are based in the United States. We have three main ones. Core retail sales month over month, 0.3%. As anticipated, this will move the stock markets. They all look fairly bullish, so a better than anticipated number. This might be enough to just launch them. After that, we have retail sales month over month, and that, of course, is anticipated to be at 0.6%, and that could move the markets as well. It's kind of a combo number, if you will. Michigan consumer sentiment, preliminary number, 83.3. We believe that this could add fuel to a fire if we go higher on better numbers. Poor numbers, I think what will happen is we'll probably, unless they're absolutely disastrous, we'll probably have a little bit of a pullback, and then ultimately we'll find some buying opportunities later in the day on the call side. One of the markets I'm watching is the pound dollar. We are approaching significant resistance. If we break down below the bottom of this shooting star, which is 162, I think we go down to 160.50 again with the overall downtrend. I certainly have no interest in buying this market regardless. Looking at the euro dollar, looks like 130 is going to keep a bit of a lid on the marketplace. Hopefully we get a bounce based upon something out of the European session, and that should give us an opportunity to sell from higher levels. Remember, we still have not hit the 128 handle, which is the longer term target that we've been talking about. The S&P 500 looks like it's hanging about the 1990 level for support. It is the scene of a significant breakout. We could go a little bit higher, maybe to 2010, buying calls for that, and perhaps even higher than that, given enough time. Like short-term call buying opportunities, especially with good numbers coming out of the United States economically, that should do nothing but just push the market even higher. Dollar Canada, you can see, is trying to break out. The 110.50 level being closed above on a daily candle is what I would like to see. At that point in time, I would be a buyer. Really, it's probably going to be more or less a Forex day, and with that, calls could be bought on that breakout. Does look indeed like the Canadian dollar is going to get pummeled down. With that, I have looked at the upcoming September 12th trading session.